guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick review on some new lip liners that I've got and some lipsticks that I got. I am excited about it because this is the first time of me trying out Anastasia Beverly Hills, the makeup company. Now there's two things I purchased. So when I initially purchased the lip liners, they were on sale. I think I got them for $25. I kid you not. So they're currently at a price point of $42. So when I got them, it was a better deal. So the name of these lip liners is the Be Mine Deluxe Mini Lip Liner Set. And essentially when you open it up, the lip liner comes wrapped in a cute little brush roll is what they call it on the website. And when you open it up, you get 8 colors. It also comes with a pencil sharpener with 2 different sizes. So it is definitely reusable, and I love that the most. So today I'm only going to try out a couple colors because there are a lot, but I love the combinations that they do give you because I'm more into the nude colors, and then they give you a red one as well. I find myself being more drawn into the nude colors. So today we're going to try out a couple of those colors that I believe will work well together. I have not tried these out on my lips. I did do like a little swatch test to determine what colors might go good together, but right now it's a shot in the dark. So the next thing I am going to review along with the lip liners is also the Anastasia lipsticks, and it's under the sets. If you go on their website and you look under lips and then you go under sets, you will find the deluxe matte lipstick set. So you're gonna find that as well, and this one is currently still on sale. It's at a price point of $25.20. so this one is still on sale. So if you like it, maybe you go run out and get it. That might be a thing to do because the regular price I believe is $42 and they value it at $92. So I don't know if they ever go to the value price, but if you like it, I would go out and get it before they change the price. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's a cute little case, and I would say the lipsticks are a little bit weighty. That's what I do like. I don't know what they're using. I'm not gonna say it's metal, but each lipstick have a nice heavy feel to it, and it makes it feel like you're getting a luxury type of product. It's not like a cheapy drugstore product. So if you were to currently go on their website and just purchase one lipstick, it's at a price point of $23. So thus far from what I've seen. Now they did have a couple of deals online. So again, if you like what you see, you might want to go check that out before the prices go back up if you care about getting a bargain. So I'm going to start off with the Peachy Nude lipstick, and I'm going to pair it with Toffee Rose. So this is what it's looking like, and I had to get up close and personal. But this is what it's looking like after I tried on the Toffee Rose lip liner with the Peachy Nude lipstick. I'll say I do typically like a little bit slightly darker colors. These two colors seem to be very, very similar. I do like it, but I am more prone to like be drawn to slightly darker colors. So I said I was gonna try this one first, even though I like some of my colors to be more like a mocha or like more of a brown color and not too close to my skin tone. But I don't even know if the camera is doing it justice, but I do like this lipstick. But I feel like if it had a deeper like toasted look to it, which I'll probably start. I'm very particular when it comes to my lipstick, so I feel like if it had like more of a slightly toasted feel to it or a slightly toasted look, I feel like I would be like, yeah, okay, that's just right, you know. But honestly, this one isn't terrible. Honestly guys, this one isn't terrible. I really wanted to pair it with another color, but I'm saving it because I want you guys to see that one with. Well, let's try it. Why not? I want to pair it with the Raisin. I feel like this Raisin is about to be fire, and it's probably going to hit like it's supposed to hit. This is fine too, but to me, I kind of want the lip liner to pop just a little bit more, just just so that you see the contrast in colors. I kind of want it to pop a little bit more. It's nice as is, but I need a little shebang with it, a little more shebang. So I'm going to try the raisin, and then I'm also going to put the raisin, I'm going to pair the raisin with another color, because I feel like because of how dark or deep of a color this raisin is, I feel like it's going to do what it needs to do. And I'm probably going to be using the raisin more than anything else. Like on the days that I actually do wear this set, I'm probably going to be drawn more towards the raisin and also using the raisin much more than some of these other colors. Now see guys, this raisin is already doing what it needs to do. Like, it's already giving that perfect contrast. Honestly, it is chef's kiss. I actually like the raisin. It's probably, we're not going to jump to conclusions just yet, but I feel like the raisin might be my favorite when it comes to all these lip liners. But I haven't tried them again. I only did a swatch test on my arm just to see what colors might work well together. And then lighting obviously plays a factor, and then it's through a camera. But again, this is the raisin with the peachy nude, and I like it. I really do. And see, I don't lean more towards like the, I don't know if you would call it like the more paler or the more peachier lip colors. I don't really lean more towards those, but I feel like when you pair it with the raisin lip liner, it brings everything together pretty nicely. So now we're going to move into the next lipstick and lip liner. I'm going to be trying out the Hush Rose lipstick with the Dusty Rose lip liner. So guys, I don't know if you can tell, but this color, I actually like this color. It's obviously a little bit more, it has more of a redder hue, whereas the previous color we used was more of a peachier color. But I do like this one. I like how both the Dusty Rose and the Hush Rose work well together. And this one will probably be another one of my go-tos. I like the lip combination. So I will say guys, these colors are supposed to be matted. I will say it does feel like, and I know they have some lipsticks that have like more of a satin and a matte type of feel. Honestly, I'm getting that feel from these. But again, I have not tried their other products, so I don't know how this one is in comparison to the satin and matte finish lipstick that they have available online currently. I don't know, it doesn't quite feel completely matte. Maybe because I'm just used to different companies. But again, I love the color, so this one is a keeper, and this one is going to be a regular go-to for me. So now guys, I'm trying out the blush brown lipstick along with the deep taupe lip liner, and I will say I like this combination. Honestly, this one probably is my favorite thus far, and I'm trying to get a little closer to the camera just so that you guys can see. But I will say this combination is everything in person. Like, it looks so good together. Honestly, the blush brown and the deep taupe might be my favorite combination. So guys, remember when I said I was going to circle back to the raisin lip liner just because that one is probably one of my favorite lip liners thus far? Well, I'm going to use the raisin lip liner along with the royal red lipstick. Alright guys, again, so this is the royal red matte lipstick paired with the raisin lip liner, and I think I chose good with these two colors. It looks really nice. So with that being said guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. So my overall thoughts are, I love the liners. They are fire. They are currently no longer on sale, it appears to be. It is currently at a price point of $42. I feel like the lip liners are worth it in the aspect of you get 8 of them. And it says mini set, but legitimately these are not extremely small. These are a good size. It says mini lip liner set, so I don't know if they mean that they have larger ones. Maybe they have larger ones, but again, this is my first purchase, so I'm not sure. But these don't look mini to me. Like, they seem like you get a good amount in each stick. I don't even know if that's a good way to say it, but what I'm trying to say is each pencil you get a good amount of that pencil. It doesn't seem like you're shortchanged with it, so I love it. And not only that, once I'm done with all of my lip liners, I could put my brushes back in this case and take this case with me, or throw it in my purse or luggage or whatever the case. I do like that aspect of it. You get a traveling kit, a sharpener, and 8 lip liners. That is going to end this video. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys do choose to get these products. But as of now, I do like them. I am a big fan of matte lipsticks, so I do like to try different lipsticks out. So you get 4 lipsticks for the price of $25.20. Keep that in mind, guys. 4 lipsticks. So it's almost as if you paid $6.24 for each. Again, can't beat that price point, because drugstore lipstick is probably around that price, or maybe it's around $7 or $8 or what have you, depending on where you go. So to me, it seems like the lipsticks are a no-brainer. They're beautiful colors, each and every one of them. Even the peachy one, which I feel like typically peachier colors does not complement my skin complexion. But anyways, this is my thoughts on these 2 products. It is a thumbs up for me. I do like their products. This is my first time trying it. So with that being said, that's going to end this video. It's going to wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.